Hello, ladies and G's. Again, it's Luandile here, the leader and the instructor of Maniko School. And right now, I'm about to hop onto an exercise on loops, which is on page 25. Again, we're doing exercise 2. We gotta write a program to fill the screen horizontally and vertically with your name. Okay, hint at the option and equals that into the print function to fill the screen horizontally. Again, that is pretty straightforward, you guys. I've already created this new file, and right now I'm about to write the code. Okay, so let's just do this. For in range, I'll go. Oops, how many times am I planning on filling my screen with? Let me just print my name. Oops. Okay. Oops, let me do it like this. You see, the solution I'm about to give out at the moment doesn't... Oh, you know what? Let me just do this. Matter of fact, it's better to use only a single name rather than a name and my surname as well. Rather than using my same and my name and my surname as well. Okay, so, oops. This is gonna be exercise instead of 1B, I'll go to A. Okay, that should be pretty much it, you guys. I don't know if I'm missing something, but hopefully I am not. This will only print the names horizontally. However, it won't print them vertically. Okay. So here's the deal. I'm gonna do something that we haven't covered yet, and that is the concept of nested for loops. Okay. So I'll simply go I in range. And my range will be, say, 50 for example. Again, any number will do it here, but it has to be some huge number. Okay, that way you're gonna have a ton of values to display. Okay, names to display. Okay, now that I've got my outer loop right here, my inner loop right here, what I want to do is I want to display 10 names per line. So in order to do that, I'll have to do this. Okay, let me hit the save button, the run button, and then see what we get. There we go. Again, you can make an argument that this does not seem user-friendly. Okay, and I can simply put a space there and then run it again. Now it is better than what it used to be. Okay, that should be pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. Again, I'm gonna give out another solution on this exercise. However, I am not planning on using the nested for loops concepts. Okay, nor am I playing or no, am I planning on using the end arguments? Okay, that should be it, you guys. I'll see you on the next solution. Cheers, I'm gone.